Hey Joe, long time no see. What are all these boxes doing here?
Oh, hello, Mr. Patman. It's actually your latest DVD, and I'm sharing them with my network. I'm so excited. I'm shipping these out to Africa. I got some for Asia. I got Australia over here. Look at all these for going to America.
Unbelievable, Joe. I'm so happy to find out that you're distributing our training material all over the world. I need more people like you out there in our network. And if you keep up this good work, I'm very sure that next year V Studios are going to create so much more. Hello? Mods? Yeah, I'm coming. I'm just around the corner. 15 minutes, I'll be there. Same place. See you there. Bye. Where did I put it? Where is it? Ah, here it is. Well, guys, I've got some great news and some bad news. I just met an IR called Joe, and I just found out that the past 1 year we have distributed over 5 million of my DVDs all over the world. The bad news is V Studios is shutting down tomorrow. Remember, guys, duplicate good deeds, not DVDs. Buy original. Welcome, my name is Patman Senatiraja, and in this video I'm going to introduce you to two great companies, QNet and the V. Now a few hours ago, a few days ago or 1 week ago, you were shown the business opportunity of QNet, or you were shown some of the great products of QNet. And in this video I'm going to help you make some key decisions moving forward with this journey. Firstly, you have to decide whether QNet is the right company for you. You have to decide that our products are the best products for you. And most importantly, you have to decide to start with a new journey of becoming a partner with QNet, becoming an entrepreneur with QNet, to completely change the existing journey of your life, to start a brand new journey. Now, I have been in this business for 16 years, and I'm standing here making this video as somebody who has made it with QNet. And I'm going to tell you why I made my choices. I have stayed with this company for over 15 years. Why I'm still with QNet until today. Now, QNet started back in 1998. Very humble beginnings in the Philippines, and now QNet has spread its wings. Our headquarters today is based in Hong Kong, one of globally the best known economies, most stable government, and the right place for an Asian-born company to operate from. So Hong Kong today is our headquarters. And then a few years ago, the QI Group, our parent company, made a decision to purchase a tower in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, the QI Tower. And that is the new home today for many aspects of QNet operations in Malaysia. Now, QNet has also spread its wings to new markets. We just lately opened up our European operations, a brand new chapter for QNet going into Europe in a big way. We have offices all around the world, partnerships, agents, logistic hubs in 6 different locations to provide you with products reaching your doorstep as fast as possible. Now, QNet in 1998 started with a different strategy completely, belonging to the network marketing industry. At that time in 1998, the whole industry wanted something new, and QNet introduced a brand new range of products. That is gold coins, limited edition numismatic gold coins. That's how we started our journey with products. Now, we partnered with the BH Myers Mint, which is the oldest and largest private mint in Europe. And from there, the product strategy has evolved. If you remember, if I remember correctly, back in 1998, we had special limited edition coins of Mother Teresa, all right, Martin Luther King, Mahatma Gandhi. We had different concepts of minted, high-quality numismatic coins. But we knew that that product range had to evolve and change. and we moved into Vacation Club membership, which is today one of the star products on the QNet range of products. Today we own our own resorts all over the world, and we are partnered with hundreds of resorts around the world, giving you, the customer, a choice where you want to go, when you want to go. Now from vacations, we knew that the world was screaming one word: wellness. Wellness, 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 which evolved into the most important aspect of any industry today in any country, that everyone is looking at nutrition, all right, alternative wellness products. And QNet embraced this philosophy very strongly. And we kicked off with energy products, from the BioDisc, which became one of our star products in QNet, all right, to various other categories of wellness energy products. And then we ventured into nutrition. Now, nutrition today is a $1 trillion industry, $1 trillion industry. And we chose and picked the right kind of supplement and nutrition to give value to our customers and add value to your existing choices of nutrition that you're using. So we have very unique products, all right? Products that were launched a few years ago and products we are launching every single year. We are adding new and more unique, very high quality products sourced from some of the best suppliers in Europe and other parts of the world. Now, we also knew that one area of luxury today are watches. Every man, woman and child today, all right, looks at watches as part of their lifestyle. It's a representation of who you are. So QNet started making and distributing watches from the early part, all right, of the year 2000, 2001. But now we are very proud that QI Group, our parent company, owns their own watch manufacturer in Switzerland called Simier. And QNet and Simier together have created some of the most beautiful Swiss-made timepieces the world of watches have ever seen. All our watches are Swiss-made, all right, complying with the highest standards of watch manufacturing. And our designs cater to men, women, and even children today, all right? We have a watch for every aspect of your day-to-day life. And then we realized that QNet had to venture into what is going to be the future of delivering education. That is online education, all right? And we partnered with a Swiss university and we launched the Swiss e-learning range of products, which makes education online from degrees to MBAs to short courses available to practically anyone everywhere in the world. And this is very much aligned with the QI strategy, because QI, as our parent company, has decided that education is going to be part of their legacy. And they today a university called Quest International University Perak, a full-fledged university in Malaysia, providing all courses including medical science. That means there's going to be doctors graduating from our university and helping make a difference around the world. All right? And this range of products has even grown even further when QNet realized that today your home care, the water you drink, the air you breathe, the cleanliness, all right, of your home is a priority to every parent and every family. So we have a whole range of products focused on water, from water purifying to water energizing, alkalization, all right, and the air you breathe at home. All right, we got air purifying systems. We increase oxygen levels in your home, making it a perfect total solution. So if you look at the range of products QNet offers you today, nobody can say there's nothing I want to buy. Everything practically is there. Every aspect to have today a globalized reach. We can ship a product to anyone, anywhere in the world. Now with our representative offices and our partner offices around the world, the closest office to you will not be further than a 4-hour drive, a 2-hour flight, wherever you are in the world. And ultimately, you can always come back home to Hong Kong or to Malaysia to visit QI Tower or our offices in Hong Kong. Now, QNet today is a network marketing company of a world-class standard. We started in 1998 with very humble beginnings. And to be honest, when we started in 1998, a lot of people had questions. Can we trust this company? Will this company be around for the next 2 years, 3 years? We have crossed the 15-year threshold with millions of business partners around the world. With QNet handles everything for you, from products to delivery to IT infrastructure, every aspect of QNet, alright? Everything is handled by them and you become a partner with them. That means you don't have headaches of a traditional business. But that's a question mark. What does it mean to become a partner of QNet? And I'm going to explain in a very simplistic way, what does it mean to start a journey as an entrepreneur, as a businessman, a businesswoman, all right, with QNet. Now you know that QNet is a network marketing company. They handle products, delivery, and all other infrastructure that is required for somebody to start business. Now what's your role? What role do you play in this whole, formula of success? Very simple. First, you become an independent representative. That's a decision I hope you're going to make right after watching this video. Alright, once you become an independent representative of QNet, you have all the rights of an entrepreneur. Alright, you can do business anywhere in the world, but you don't have the headaches of procuring products, delivering products, worrying about your customers. QNet handles everything, as I mentioned earlier. But now you have one thing to do. You have to talk to people. Now somebody asked me once, Patman, what do you need me to do to become successful in QNet? Very simple. Talk to people. Talk to people, talk to people. Something we are born with the ability. It's in our DNA. Whether you live in Europe, in the Middle East, in Central Asia, in Africa, in Asia, we all know how to talk to people. Now QNet converted the oldest marketing technique in the world into a brilliant business concept. What is the oldest marketing technique in the world? Word of mouth. From the days of your great-grandfather, everyone has been promoting something or another without even doing business. You go to a nice restaurant today and you have a great vegetarian meal, for example, all right? And then you love the meal. You go back home, all right? You're going to tell your mom, your dad, your siblings, your wife, even your mother-in-law, all right? Or your neighbor. You go back to the office the next day, somebody is going to ask you, where did you eat? I ate at this restaurant. The food was great. Now, all these people you promoted this restaurant to, all right, are going to go and eat in this restaurant and spend money. Whether it's $100, $1,000, or maybe $10,000 for a corporate dinner. Now, my question to you is, how much money do you make because you recommended that restaurant? Nothing. You make nothing. So in a way of looking at this, your whole life you have been promoting products, restaurants, movies, drama, opera, clothing, everything you've been promoting without making a penny. All right? But you are good at it. It's in our nature to talk to people about something we have experienced or we have purchased. All right? So I always tell people, there is nothing you need to learn when you become an entrepreneur in network marketing. It's already in your DNA. It's as natural as eating, all right, or as easy as A, B, C. So now what QNet has done, they have taken what you are good at and now they are paying you. The question is how? Now QNet and every other network marketing company around the world works on a mathematical formula. They call it a comp plan, a compensation plan, a compensation model. But in the bottom line, it's a mathematical formula where they allocate a large sum of their profit, all right, and distribute it according to this comp plan to all their partners around the world, like you and me, all right, your upline, your downlines. And the question is, how do we decide, okay, how much people get? Very simple. It's based on a formula. The more people you recommend to QNet to purchase a product, or the more products you retail of QNet, all right, you get paid a bigger commission. Now, QNet today has one of the most exciting compensation plans in the industry because the comp plan plays a vital role in you achieving financial freedom. Now, this is a word you're going to hear very often after this from your uplines. All right? They're going to talk about you achieving a financial standing in life where you are basically wealthy and you got enough money to make decisions on your own without relying on the world to dictate how you choose to live. All right? So what happens is, this compensation plan is a key factor of your success. And every network marketing company around the world try to make their compensation plan as exciting to them. Now QNet, obviously from 1998 until today, after 15 years, have changed their comp plans many times to cater to the changes out there in the market, all right, or the industry itself, network marketing evolving to new levels. But today, QNet has a brand new compensation plan called Q10, which offers you 10 ways, guys, 10 ways, all right, to make commissions from QNet. This makes us one of the most attractive compensation plans out there in the industry. So you are very lucky to be part of QNet today with the Q10. Now, this compensation plan kicks off very simply with you and me. Now, somebody asked me, Patman, today you're extremely successful. You made it in this industry. How did you get started? Guys, we all start the same way. I purchased a product and became a partner with QNet. I became an IR, an independent representative. That means it's my own business, I own it. I don't have any headaches because QNet looks after every aspect of my business beautifully, perfectly, all right, as a huge multi-million-dollar corporation. I talk to people. Remember? Talk to people, talk to people, talk to people. I spoke to my brother and my best friend. 2 people. Now, it may not seem like a lot, and you may be sitting there watching this video and saying, 2 people and he's successful, all right? Now, it starts with 2, but I want to teach you mathematics, not as a teacher, but as a businessman, all right? The concept of exponential growth, all right? This is how it works. I spoke to 2 people. Now, let's assume for 1 minute that these 2 people go out there and talk to 2 more of their close friends and family. Is that possible? Of course. Everyone at least has 2 people that are close to them, family and friends. All right? Now, My best friend may have more people to talk to, not 2, maybe 6 or 7, or my brother spoke to maybe 20 people. Doesn't matter. Now, as they speak to people, it started with me and 2 of them, all right? And every time they go out and talk about QNet, like we talk about a restaurant or a great watch that you're promoting or whatever, all right, word of mouth, okay? If they talk to more people, the numbers grow from 2. Now, after these 2 people, it may grow to 8 or 4 or 6, depending on them. And then these 8 or 6 people here, now what are they going to do? They're going to talk to their friends and family about the beauty of network marketing, the beauty of the products QNet offer. Then they may talk to another 30 people who all purchase the products, some of them happy with your products, and some of them said, yes, I want to be an entrepreneur. I want financial freedom. I want to change my life. And they start talking to more people. Now, if you look at this diagram here, look at what exponential growth is about. So after 6 months, 10 months, 1 year, 2 years, what started with me, my brother, and my best friend will grow into an organization of thousands of people, not restricted to one country. Remember, we are e-commerce totally globalized. So this organization could spread to all over the planet. All right, that I have people in my organization in countries I can't pronounce and I've never visited. All right, so this keeps growing. And this is how QNet built from 1998. From a few people which started in the Philippines, today we have millions of people around the world, as far as Europe, all the way to South Africa. All right, now this is exponential growth. So you need to understand that network marketing is the business of the future. It's about you connecting with people. And today, with social media, with the Facebooks and the Twitters and the Instagrams, our reach to people is far faster, all right, far more effective than it's ever been. So we predict that the industry of network marketing itself is going to have exponential growth, whether you like it or not. The question you have to ask yourself, do you want to be part of this? All right, and as your organization grows, your financial income exponentially increases in QNet. We have created millionaires in our company in QNet. People from humble beginnings as homemakers, to teachers, to lawyers, to doctors, to engineers, to students, like when I started. All right, and this is the potential growth that you have today in your hands. Now, QNet is the right company. All right, we are over 15 years old. This simply proves to you that we are here to stay. Secondly, we have a product range that will appeal to everyone and anyone in any part of the world. Thirdly, there is no prerequisite to be part of QNet. Regardless of your race, religion, creed, nationality, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter whether you have a degree or you never went to school. All right, this business is a concept of free enterprise. It allows the common man and the common woman with the uncommon dream to be able to become an entrepreneur and start making money from a business which they own, backed up by a company which is over 15 years old, with enough experience, enough infrastructure, enough brand strength today to make you a proud, successful entrepreneur and a partner of QNet. Now you need to make the decision. Now your decision right now is very simple. Do you want to become an entrepreneur? Do you want to start a brand new journey where your life will completely change for the better, and you have chosen the best company in the industry of network marketing, that is QNet. So what I want to say as Padman Senatiraja, all right, welcome to QNet. Welcome to the greatest journey you will ever embark on your life, with an industry with a proven track record, and you belong to a company with an unbelievable track record. So welcome to QNet. Now, let me introduce you to the second part of this video, that is about the V. Now, in network marketing, the most fundamental aspects of your success is having an effective upline. Now, the word upline you will hear many times on your journey as an entrepreneur and business partner with QNet. Upline, 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 and downline. Simply put, the upline is the person who's responsible for guiding you on this journey with his or her experience. Now, in QNet, there is a unique relationship that exists with the V. Now, the V is an organization. It's an organization which has partnered with QNet since 1998. I would call this a partnership for life. The synergy between both these organizations has been the reason for the success that we have today. Now, in network marketing, your upline is the key to your success. Having an effective upline is a blessing, but it may not always be that case. Sometimes it takes you time to establish a relationship and a working system with your upline. Now, in QNet, there is something very unique. In the organization, there is the apex, the tip of the organization. We call it 001, for example. Now, in most organizations around the world, 001 is an individual. It's one person, all right, who is the key to the whole organization. But in QNet, it's extremely unique. It is not one person, it's an organization. It's a partnership called the V partnership. This is an organization, it's not one individual. Of course, the founders, Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran and Japadas Bismarck, are the founders of the V. And they represent the whole network, all right, of millions of people around the world. Now, who is the V? Firstly, a lot of people ask me this question, what's the V? It's an alphabet. You can show it like that, you can write it, you can type it, it's an alphabet. Now, it doesn't represent any meaning with the alphabet itself, but it was taken from a philosophy of nature. Mother Nature can do no wrong, all right? And Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran and Japadas Bismarck understood that this philosophy of the V is fundamentally important for the network growth. So the V means the flight of the geese. Now, the geese fly south during winter. Thousands, millions of geese fly south to warmer climate, and they fly a distance of 4,000 to 8,000 kilometers in one journey. Now, imagine this, a goose flying all the way for 8,000 kilometers. Now, the concept why they actually make this journey happen, why they complete this journey and survive, is because they always fly in a flock. That means there'll be 8 to 40 geese flying together, but they fly in a V formation. All right, a V formation. Why? Because it's very scientific, but in nature, but you can explain it in a scientific way. When they fly in a V formation, the geese flap their wings when they fly, as you can see here. When the first goose of the V formation flaps its wings, it creates a movement of air moving backwards to support the geese at the back, making it easier for the geese at the back to fly. And the same thing is repeated at every level of the geese flying, and they fly 70% more efficiently in the V formation. Now, during the whole migration process, you will hear, if you live in the parts where they fly over you, you will hear them making a lot of noise, like honking sound, you know, the geese make this very unique sound. Now, it's their way of motivating each other, that listen, let's keep flying, we got to reach our destination, we don't stop, we are together. And you hear that sound. And one of the most unique aspects of the V formation, if one goose is sick or gets shot by a hunter, 2 other geese will follow it down and stay with it, either nursing it back to health or waiting for it maybe to die. And only then will those 2 geese join another formation. Now, this concept of nature, the V formation of the geese flying south, today represents the most truthful definition of teamwork. And our founders, Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran and Japadas Bismarck, built the V partnership based on this foundation. That means the V is your ultimate upline. And instead of supporting 3 or 4 people, the V partnership supports the whole organization of QNet, millions of people. And I'll explain to you shortly how we support. But that's the philosophy. So the V partnership today consists of people with years of network marketing experience. These are the true success stories of network marketing. These are people who walk the talk. These are personalities today who are world-class speakers, all right, authorities in the requirements of success in network marketing. These are the people who represent the true essence of entrepreneurship. And they all came from humble beginnings. And today, they are giants in their own right. These are people who travel the world, open up new markets, all right, create a wave of momentum in every continent they land. Now we have the V partnership, all right, or the V partners, the highest echelon. Then we have the associate V partners. These are the leaders who the V partners depend on every day. These are the guys on the ground building huge organizations even while I'm recording this video. And then we have the V Council members and we have the unbelievable V Elite leaders. Now all of these people put together form a unit, form a combined team which represents the role as your upline. So you don't have one person who's your upline. If you look up in your organization, the uniqueness of the V is you have hundreds of people working together to provide you with enough support, guidance, information, inspiration, and they're all dreamers. So being in the V and being in QNet, you have the highest benefit of network marketing compared to any other organization out there. Now the V partnership obviously is supported by a corporate entity, all right, the V corporate family with offices in 3 or 4 countries. These men and women specialize in providing the tools for you to be able to build a bigger, stronger, louder network marketing organization. Now we provide a lot of support. Firstly, our main key support is what you're watching right now, our videos. All right, the V sends out videos on a regular basis all over the world, and we host all our videos, all right, on VTube Plus, the most comprehensive online video library for a networker. If you watch all these videos, you're gonna be one of the most successful networkers QNet has ever seen. And the beauty about these videos today, all right, QNet offers them as a product for you to be able to watch these videos and also benefit from your organization as they watch the videos. It's an amazing, amazing video platform called VTube Plus. Now, secondly, we also provide other tools like books, magazines on a quarterly basis, on a regular basis, like the Voyager. I myself have written a couple of books explaining to you what you need to be successful in network marketing. So please grab a copy, all right? And the most fundamental thing the V does is our events. Network marketing is about the power of association. And the V partnership, all right, today we do about 400 to 500 events a year all over the world. These are world-class events, network seminar series, leadership camps, regional V conventions, but the ultimate event the V runs on a regular basis once a year called the V Convention. Now this is a gathering of over 10,000 of our top business partners from all over the world converging in one location. It's a 5-day, 4-night extravaganza where you will be able to sit there and listen to the giants of network marketing, the V partners, the associate V partners, the V Council, V Elite leaders come there and share their wisdom, their experience. And QNet has a massive product exhibition, product explanation, product launches. It's like a summer festival, all right? And we've been hosting this for the past 16 years. And now this event has become a landmark, a must-visit, must-attend event for everyone. So if you're watching this video, please speak to your upline, the person who referred you, and ask them when is the next VCon. Make sure you get your ticket and get a seat because this is a world-class event. I have friends from other network marketing organizations who have come to V Convention and they are totally mesmerized that no such event exists anywhere else in the world except in the V. It's very unique, it's world class, you get energized to a whole new level. So the V as your upline provides you with all these tools from VTube Plus, to print magazines, online magazines, all right, and events catered for you all over the world. Now you need to understand one thing. To succeed in this business, it's ultimately your decision. But I commit to you that in QNet and the V, you will be provided with enough tools, enough support. And the V partnership will be able to guide you, mentor you, inspire you, educate you every single step of the way. And now the V has proudly introduced a brand new platform called V Educate, which is a platform of training, a 3-day training platform, which focuses on you having enough knowledge to be able to take your organization to the next level, for you to build your organization even bigger. And V Educate happens in all major cities all over the world. It's a certification process. So once you complete V Educate, you will actually be provided with a certificate, all right, certifying you as a world-class networker in the V and QNet. Now with QNet and all that QNet is providing, and the V as the greatest upline the industry has ever seen, if you combine both of this, your chances of success has just exponentially grown. That you must understand one thing. By belonging to QNet and the V, you will succeed in network marketing. You will be a successful entrepreneur. That your dreams, the reasons why you are even watching this video, will become a reality. Now this is you. This is the V, this is QNet. Now I explained everything QNet has done, from products, all right, to IT infrastructure, to brand building, to the most exciting compensation plan called Q10, all right? All of this backing you up as an entrepreneur. Then you have the V, providing you with videos, with training, with print support tools, all right, with world-class uplines guiding you every step of the way. Now if you take both of this and attach it to you, what do you become? You become the next success story in network marketing. You become a giant. You become what people talk about every single day in this industry. So I urge you to make that decision after watching this video. I want you to become an entrepreneur. I want you to become an independent representative of QNet, and I want you to be one of the greatest success stories in the V. This formula cannot fail. This formula has only succeeded for over 15 years. And now, right now, you have an opportunity to make a decision that is going to change your life and the lives of many, many people for the next and next generation of your legacy. So welcome to the world of network marketing. Welcome to QNet, welcome to the V, and welcome to financial freedom.